Senville LETO Series Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump, 4-in-1 Mini Split Air Conditioner with Heat Pump. Built-in air conditioning, heating, up to 5F/15C, dehumidifier, fan, and turbo function, great for bedrooms, additions, living rooms, garages, and commercial applications. Can be installed in virtually any home, condo or space, whisper quiet operation, 25 decibels. Energy efficient consumption and engineered for the harshest climates.
2.
Pioneer Air Conditioner, save money all year round with a highly efficient ductless mini split inverter heat pump system, ultra silent and beautifully built, perfect for home or light commercial use, used for both cooling and heating 12,000 BTUs/hour with 19 SEER and 10 HSPF efficiency. Comes with every needed component in the box including an easy install 16 feet copper piping kit, free tech support and a 5-year coverage on the parts and compressor. MRCOOL Ductless Heat Pump Split System 3rd Generation, Energy Star 120V, DIY 12 horsepower 115B, easy DIY installation, pre-charged R410A 25 feet quick connect line doesn't require special tools, equipment, or training. Wi-Fi control, compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can control your DIY anywhere with your Apple or Android smart device and internet connection. Designed to efficiently heat and cool a single 500 square feet room. Cooper Hunter 12,000 BTUs Mia Series 12,000 BTUs 19 SEER 110 volts 1 ton ductless mini split air conditioner heat pump ETL Intertech approved, RE certified Wi-Fi ready, pre-charged with refrigerant. Works for heating with ambient temperature up to 5F degrees. 16 FT copper line set, communication wires, and a drainage extension included with your order. Whisper technology for quiet operation, great for bedrooms, additions, living rooms, and commercial applications.